Hey guys, it's Decolation, and today we're going to work on finishing up these aluminum panels. So these two panels over here, I'm gonna work on getting those under attached to the bottom, and then we're gonna finish drilling all of these holes. Hopefully the 12 drill bits I bought will be enough. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys. So it's hard to film under the car, but I got the first panel mounted. This is actually riveted in. Kind of show you guys what we're working with. So you see, this is why I painted the panel black, so it matches a nice clean underside. But yeah, so I got the first panel riveted on. Next I'm gonna work on drilling under here. I'm not gonna film, I'm gonna drill the other side as well. I'm not gonna film that because it's kind of hard to film and drill and have enough light. Yeah, it's a little bit of a pain. But pretty much all you do, take the drill, just take your time. Broke a couple bits, but I mean, to be expected. But yeah, it looks really, really good. Hey guys, so I've got the bottom panels on this side. Just kind of show you guys the importance of Clecos. Ah, shit. Let me get a light. So these Cleco fasteners are amazing. You can see, so right now I've got all the holes drilled, so now I just need to go through, put the sealant on, and then rivet it. Alright guys, so now that you see I got the panel in, and you can see this requires, they call marine grade 5200 sealant, so that's what I used. And let's see if you can see under here. This one is all nice and riveted as well. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, so my under panels are all done. Alright guys, so now that you saw kind of what the progress is of what I got today, so you see the underfloor panels in, and so that's just what we're doing for right now. I'm going to do the foam and the over panels a little bit later, but this was what's necessary to get done for what's coming up for next video. But if you guys like the video, comment down below. I've been trying to do a new format, kind of show step by step what we're doing. Hope if you guys like it, let me know, comment down below. Have a good one. Peace.